There is something deeply human about building with your own hands. Long before machines and blueprints, men looked at empty land and saw something more. They saw shelter, they saw warmth, they saw home. This is one of those stories. It starts with nothing. A clearing in the forest, rocky ground, dead wood, silence. Just the wind through the pine trees and the sound of boots hitting the earth. Three men show up. No crane, no shortcuts, just shovels, stone, and determination that doesn't need an audience. The first hours are the hardest. Breaking ground that doesn't want to be broken. Moving rocks that don't want to move. Sweat hits the ground before the foundation does. But they keep going. Stone by stone, the foundation takes shape. Rough, imperfect, real. The kind of perfect that comes from hands that work to put it there. Then comes the timber. Heavy pine beams lifted into position slowly. The walls rise, the ceiling takes shape, built to last generations. Inside, the light changes. Morning sun cuts through the open window frames and hits the raw wood walls, telling you something special is happening here. Then comes the fireplace, the soul of the room. Natural stone stacked by hand into something that will hold fire for decades. And then one evening, after weeks of early mornings and sore muscles, they light the fire for the first time. The flames grow. Warm amber light fills every corner of what was once empty ground. A bed sits where there was only dirt. A rug covers where boots once hit stone. Candles glow on shelves built from the same trees that once stood just outside these walls. And the three men stand back, quietly. The way men do when the work is finished and words are not enough. Because what they built is not just a room. It is proof. Proof that empty land can become something sacred. Proof that patience, stone, and timber are still enough. Proof that the most beautiful things in this world are still built by hand.